I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade Indian style. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and cold water as your base. To achieve that distinctive Indian flavor, make sure to have black salt and roasted cumin powder on hand. For an extra touch of freshness, consider adding some fresh mint leaves. And of course, don't forget plenty of ice cubes for serving. Now let's get that fresh lemon juice ready. For a good batch, use about 4 to 5 medium-sized lemons. A helpful tip is to roll each lemon firmly on your counter before cutting. This helps release more juice. Then, carefully squeeze the juice into a pitcher, making sure to strain out any seeds. You're aiming for roughly 1/2 cup of bright, fresh lemon juice. This is where the magic happens for Indian lemonade. In your pitcher, combine the fresh lemon juice with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of black salt, which provides a distinctive savory note. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder for an aromatic depth. Finally, pour in 2 cups of cold water and mix everything thoroughly until the sugar completely dissolves. Before serving, give your lemonade a taste and adjust the sweetness or saltiness to your preference. Once perfected, fill individual glasses with plenty of ice cubes and pour in your freshly made Indian-style lemonade. For a beautiful presentation and an extra burst of flavor, garnish each glass with a few fresh mint leaves or a thin lemon slice. Now, sit back and enjoy your wonderfully refreshing homemade drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.